Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Lucille and I am preparing to travel full-time in my 24-foot Class C RV. It's been a little slow going and the last few videos has been nothing but bad news and just talking about a string of bad luck that I've been having. And I'm happy to report finally today some good news. I am going to be getting my window that got broken installed, so that's a plus. After last week's video, I was talking about my windshield getting broken on the car. I'm not even kidding you. A few days after that, I had to turn my car into the shop because it had some rodent damage. Yeah, I can't make this stuff up. Like thousands of dollars worth of rodent damage. And thank goodness for insurance, who provided a rental car for me to use until my car is done. I'm telling you guys, I am so ready to get out of this vortex of bad luck that I have been having. But today is a good day. So I'm going to be picking up the RV, preparing it for travel. I haven't driven it in a while, so I'm kind of excited to get it prepared for driving. And we're going to get a new window. I'm going to run inside and get the blinds that I removed from here and the valance, I guess it's called. So hopefully they'll reinstall it for me because it's a pain in the butt. So I'm going to go grab that and then have it in here just in case they can do it for me. So another thing I need to do, because I've had my RV plugged in here at home base, is I need to turn the freezer from auto to propane because I'm about to disconnect the cord. Okay, all set. And honestly, I really need to empty this freezer out and defrost it before I do get on the road. I don't even know why I still have it on. I haven't been cooking inside. I've been just buying easy foods while I'm here at home base, especially because I have the house staged inside. I don't want to cook in there and make a mess. It's just easier to get in and out of there when I have showings. But I do want to defrost this, so I might do this later on this week. As you can see, these freezers like to build up a lot of frost, especially when it's hot. They'll be overworking and just start to do this. They all do it. Anyway. Okay, I have everything done. So weird to not have I always shut my blinds here when I get ready to roll, and it's so weird to have all this open. So I've done what I can. Everything's ready to roll. I might stop and dump tanks before I go get the window installed if I have time. If not, I'll do it afterwards. I'm gonna run inside, grab something to eat, and get ready to roll. Okay guys, I'm all ready. I am not gonna have time to stop and dump before I get to my appointment at Bennett's Glass, so I will do that afterwards. So here we go. So I didn't even get a chance to go film them. It took them like 15 minutes. I thought it was going to be a couple of hours. That's what they told me when I made the appointment anyway. They said they do it all the time. So I have a new window. Yay! I already tested it. Everything's fine. So happy. Just in time because it just started pouring. So hopefully by the time I get to where I'm going to dump tanks, it'll stop. Okay, so I am right across the street from where I go dump. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's still thundering and lightning. So I am going to sit here in this parking lot for a few minutes to see if the rain calms down before I go back home and park and get all set up again. But let me tell you this. This is the beauty of being an RV owner. As soon as I pulled out of the glass shop, went around the corner, you know, I'm all happy and excited because I have a new window. One of my drawers down here came flying open, and now that's broke. You know what though? I could care less about a drawer. That's an easy fix. But a window, you can't be without a working window. I just thought it was funny. This is so RV life. You know, there's always going to be something, whether it's a major disaster or something as small as a drawer. It flew out. It's just full of shoes anyway. Anyway, it flew out, and I guess it got stuck or snapped the bracket somehow. I could fix that or play around with it when I get home. But just keep that in mind if you want to get an RV. It's always something. Okay guys, that is it. This week's video is going to be a short one. At least it was something positive. I didn't want to harp too much on my situation with the car because, like I said, I'm tired of talking about negative things. I did have somewhat of a breakdown when that happened, but it's getting fixed. And all I can say about that is it's getting fixed. It's something positive, and I want to move on. I will come out and put the blinds back up when it's not so hot, maybe tomorrow morning. So right now, I just put this tapestry back up, but the window is there. Yay! It's all about celebrating even the smallest of wins. Thank you all for being here. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing or even becoming a member. I would really appreciate it. Help me reach my goal of 3,000 subscribers. Have a great week, and we will see you next time. Peace.